So I've done other videos on the same topic or similar topic, but one thing that I know for certain is if your company is interested in a bot for your call center or an IVA, an intelligent virtual agent, it's really overwhelming. There's a lot to think about. There's a million different ways you can go with it. And so it's kind of important to really start narrowing your focus to help you get a foothold on that project. And one of the videos I did, I talk about your three top calls that you should be thinking about. Like, what are the three most common calls that happen within your cloud call center environment? So what are the three most common calls that are coming in? What are the three most common calls that are going out? Like, know those three calls right out of the gate. So that's really important. Watch that other video I did. But once you do that, the next step is to think about what qualifying questions do we need to ask on those calls. So I want to talk a little bit about that in that video and why that's going to help you. But first, if you like my recommendation on the best cloud call center software vendors to quote who have a great IVA product, a great bot product, reach out, contact me, send me an email, give me a call. I will help your company make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. More information on that at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to go to our website, aerocominc.com. You can search cloud call center software vendors by feature, such as IVA, and kind of read reviews on providers and watch videos on the providers, read a bunch of background information on them. That might be a great place to help you start your search and realize what vendors are out there. But at some point you are going to reach a point where you're probably going to need some help, and that's when you reach out and contact me. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and leave me a comment, because I want to know what you liked on this video. I want to always make the videos better. So let me know what you liked, what additional questions you have that I can answer for you, or what topics you'd like to see on future videos. I'd love to hear from you. I don't hear enough from my viewers. I want to hear more from you. So leave me a comment down below. All right, so as I mentioned earlier, make sure you watch the video I did on if you're looking into IVA, you want to first determine the three most common calls that your call center is either making or receiving. That's really important, number one. But then after that, what I want you to think about is what qualifying questions do we need to ask on each one of those particular calls? So what that's going to do is it's going to help you start to really map the call flow of, okay, this call comes in, great. They want to know their order status. They want to know, like, hey, where's my order at? I placed an order, what's the order status? Well, what is the next level of questioning that you need to have? Like, what's the order number? What's your name? What's in, your email? Like, what qualifying questions do you need to know at that point? What level of verification? Maybe you need to do some deep verification if you're a bank or a financial institution, and you can't just give out this information without doing 2 or 3 different forms of identity with the person, maybe the last 4 of their social or things like that. So start thinking about that. What are those qualifying questions that you need to ask to really, okay, I still can't help you on this call until we ask these questions. So and after they answer those questions, you can either transfer to a live agent, you can answer their FAQ, or you can give them the information right away. You can just pull the information from a data dip, but at least you're starting to map the whole thing out. So know your 3 most common calls, and then know the qualifying questions that need to be asked right away, and that will help you start to really understand how a bot or an IVA solution is going to be able to help your company improve your customer experience, improve your payroll, the amount of employees you have as call center agents, all that good stuff. So I hope that was helpful. If so, do me a favor. The way you can thank me is reach out and ask me for a quote, especially if your company has 10 or more call center agents. Reach out and ask me for a quote. Send me an email, give me a call. It's the reason why I do these videos. I'm a broker for all the major cloud call center service providers out there, and I've been doing this for over 20 years. So I know the industry inside and out. I know which service providers have a good reputation for service quality, customer service, who's got a bad reputation, who's got really competitive pricing, who's got the exact features that your company needs. I will help your company make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. So reach out, contact me. I'll not only tell you which companies you should be quoting, I'll introduce you to the best sales reps to work with at that company, and I'll also oversee the quoting process to make sure you get the best pricing on the service provider of your choice. So send me an email, give me a call. I'd love to help you. I love talking about this stuff all day long. And again, don't forget to go to our website, aerocominc.com, search providers by feature like IVA, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and leave me a comment. Tell me what additional questions you have, tell me what videos you'd like to see in the future, or tell me what you liked about this video. I'd love to hear it. Well, thanks for watching again, and I will catch you on the next one.